In this video, we're excited to showcase our designs printed by our favorite print-on-demand site on Zazzle. Browse a wide selection of designs to find the perfect design for your next event. From stunning real foil invitations to customizable wrapping paper and accessories, this video will show you how to add your own do-it-yourself editions for that extra special touch. So let's get started. Finding the perfect design for your event has never been easier. Search for a theme or style for your event. In this example, we're searching for garden party theme birthdays. There are lots of options to choose from. Simply browse the wide selection of customizable options to find the perfect design. This is our beautiful wildflower birthday invitation design with foil, available in our Zazzle Moodthology Papery shop. Zazzle makes it super easy to personalize the design template. Here you can change the name and age, event details, and additional text for your event. When you're happy with your customizations, place your order and let Zazzle handle the rest. Just sit back, relax, and get excited for your beautiful delivery to arrive. We love the final product, featuring the perfect touch of real foil. Here we selected the rose gold foil option, but Zazzle offers real foil in gold and silver as well. Choose which one complements your invitation. Let's elevate this printed birthday invitation and personalize it with our do-it-yourself editions. Here are the items that you'll need. We're using this lovely dark forest green silk ribbon. You can use any kind of ribbon or string that you have on hand. For the wax seal, you'll need a wax seal warmer and melting spoon, or you can use a glue gun with wax seal stick. You'll also need a wax seal stamp to create the wax seal. We've chosen a flat stamp for this project, but you can use any type of shape or decorative stamp. Since we're going with a wildflower garden theme, we're adding a dried whole flower and leaf to the wax seal. Other options you could use are glitter or gold foil flakes. Wax seal beads or glue stick to make the wax seal. Using your choice of ribbon, wrap it around the invitation. We just love how this ribbon complements our invitation design, and the textured edge really adds a nice organic look to the invitation. We're placing the card with the backside facing up so that the seam will appear on the back of the invitation. Cut your ribbon to size and secure with a glue gun, double-sided tape, or glue stick. Allow the glue to dry before proceeding. We're using a piece of parchment paper and placing it behind the ribbon. This will protect the invitation when we apply the wax seal to it. Now it's time to prepare the items needed to create the wax seal for the invitation. It takes several minutes to melt the wax in the wax seal warmer. If you're using a glue gun, you should have it plugged in and warming up while you prepare your workstation. If you're using wax seal beads, you'll need about 4 beads to make 1 wax seal. We're using a folded piece of parchment paper that we'll use to pour the wax onto. This will allow for easy removal once it's cooled. You can use a silicone mat or a molded wax seal mat. Gently pour the wax onto the surface in a circular motion. You can decide if you prefer a more organic look or a clean, refined circle. After pouring the wax, add any extra elements to the wax before you press with the stamp. Remember to gently place the wax seal stamp onto the wax to produce a clean, refined look. Once the wax seal is fully cooled, after about a minute, you can remove the wax stamp. There are several ways to secure the wax seal to your ribbon. You can use a glue gun, double-sided tape, or a wax seal sticker. Making wax seals is a fun and creative way to add a touch of art to your invitations. Crafting these unique pieces is super fun. You can explore mixing wax colors to create your own custom colors or marbled effects. Plus, the process of making them is like a mini do-it-yourself project that we can't get enough of. We're using these pretty green envelopes to complement the garden party theme. Zazzle has these fun, customizable confetti that is perfect for celebrating big moments. This confetti design is available in our Wildflower Birthday collection and perfectly matches our garden party birthday theme. You can use them in many different ways. For this tutorial, we're adding some confetti pieces inside each envelope. They will add an extra little fun surprise inside. To finish off these invitations, we're adding these customizable matching garden party wraparound address labels. Wrap your gifts with our gorgeous matching 3-sheet wrapping paper design printed by Zazzle. The design features our wildflowers arranged in a lovely repeat pattern. The handy guideline grids on the back of every sheet allow you to effortlessly line up your gifts on them and then make a perfect cut every time. With a little creativity and our custom paper, you'll be sure to make your loved ones feel extra special. Here, we're adding the same matching ribbon that we used for our invitation and decorating it with a few pieces of our leftover confetti. Punch a hole in each piece and feed it onto the string. This blush pink string goes perfectly with the gold foil invitations. The added ribbon, string accent, and confetti decorations are an easy way to add your own personal touch to your gift creations. Thanks for watching our DIY birthday video using Zazzle's amazing printed products. We hope you're feeling inspired to unleash your own creativity for your next event. Again, thanks for watching.